Ever feel like your paycheck is playing hide and seek, and it always wins? You look at your wallet, and, well, it's basically an echo chamber. Meanwhile, you see people building massive fortunes through real estate, and you're left wondering, is that only for the ultra-wealthy? What if I told you that real estate isn't some exclusive club reserved for millionaires? What if your journey to financial freedom could start right here, right now? Let's break down how to invest in real estate, step by step. Let's face the brutal reality of the traditional 9 to 5 trap. You work 40 hours a week, stack up savings, and watch helplessly as inflation quietly eats away at your purchasing power. It feels like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up. You're exhausted, but you're not getting ahead. Most people stay stuck here forever because they think the status quo is their only option. But there's a completely different path, one where your money actually goes to work for you, building tangible wealth that lasts for generations. So, how does real estate actually work? Think of it like planting a money tree. You invest capital into a property, your seed, and over time, it grows. But unlike a regular tree, this one pays you rent. Every single month, a tenant hands over a rent check. That check goes straight into your pocket or your bank account, creating true passive income. Your asset grows in value, your debt gets paid down by someone else, and your wealth compounds while you sleep. Simple, right? But the mechanics are powerful. Now, I know what you're thinking. Let's bust the 3 biggest myths holding you back right now. Myth number 1, I need millions of dollars. False. You can get started with as little as 5% down using smart financing. Myth number 2, I have to fix clogged toilets at 2 in the morning. Wrong again. That's what property managers are for, they handle the headaches for a small fee. Myth number 3, it's way too risky. Compared to pure speculation, real estate is backed by physical brick and mortar. The historical data shows a steady, upward climb over time. Don't let fear keep you on the sidelines. The beauty of real estate is that you don't have to fit into a single box. There are multiple strategies tailored to your exact situation. First, house hacking. Buy a multi-unit property, live in one side, and let your neighbors rent pay your mortgage. Second, long-term rentals. Buy single-family homes and lease them out to stable families for steady monthly cash flow. Third, fix and flip. Buy an undervalued, run-down property, renovate it, and sell it for a massive lump sum profit. Fourth, REITs. If you want zero physical management, you can buy shares of real estate investment trusts on the stock market. Choose the path that matches your capital and your lifestyle. Ready to take action? Here is your exact 5-step roadmap. Step 1, learn the basics. Read books, study markets, and understand the terminology before spending a single dollar. Step 2, save your capital. Build your down payment fund aggressively and clean up your personal credit score. Step 3, build your team. Surround yourself with a great realtor, a reliable mortgage lender, and a trusted contractor. Step 4, analyze deals. Use a calculator to run the numbers ruthlessly. Never buy on emotion, buy on math. Step 5, make an offer and close. Pull the trigger, sign the contract, and welcome your very first investment property. Here is the secret sauce that most beginners overlook: real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. You aren't going to get rich overnight, and that is a good thing. True wealth takes patience, discipline, and consistency. While everyone else is chasing quick get-rich-quick schemes that blow up in flames, you are playing the long game. Seasons will change, markets will fluctuate, but if you stay consistent and keep stacking assets, your future self will thank you 1,000 times over. Let's look at the cold, hard math of leverage. If you invest $20,000 as a 20% down payment, you control a $100,000 asset. When that property appreciates, you gain equity on the full $100,000, not just your initial 20. Plus, look at this cash flow bar chart. Your monthly rent bar completely covers your mortgage bar every single time, leaving a clean, bright slice of pure profit right in your pocket. The numbers don't lie. Leverage works that if you're ready to stop dreaming about financial freedom and actually build it, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide. Drop a comment below telling me, which real estate strategy are you planning to use first? Check out the videos on your screen right now for a deeper dive into your very first deal. Thanks for watching, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.